You're on.
Hey, I'm Jake Brown, and this is a lawnmower. I found it in a trash can, I fixed it up, and now I'm gonna get it to work.
11 horsepower, bitches.
Yeah, not
shitty, but alright.
Yeah. Well, this is just one of the first that we're gonna test as a racing lawnmower, and now we're gonna put it on a test.
There's the first test.
Oh my god, what did I do?
Alright, start it up! Right there, straighten it out. Right there. Look at the boards bend. Look at them. Ah, yeah! Put it in neutral.
What?
Put it in neutral before you break it. Don't bounce it. Didn't break. Alright, that's the first video. Conclusion of the first video.
This concludes of the first video of the lawnmower test.